Growing your YouTube subscribers quickly requires a combination of consistent content creation, understanding your audience, leveraging social media, and employing several promotional tactics. Here's a comprehensive guide on how you can speed up gaining subscribers on your YouTube channel. Create high-quality content. Consistency is key. Post regularly and maintain a consistent publishing schedule. Ensure your content is of high quality in both production and subject matter. Good audio, clear visuals, and well-researched topics make a difference. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and engage with your viewers. Ask viewers to subscribe, like, and share at the end of each video, but always provide a genuine reason for them to do so. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Research popular search terms in your niche using tools like Google's Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails can significantly impact click-through rates. Ensure they're vibrant, relevant, and communicate what the video is about. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborations can introduce your channel to a broader audience. Find YouTubers in your niche, or related niches, and propose collaboration ideas. Promote on social media. Share your videos across all your social media platforms. Engage with groups or communities related to your content and share your videos there, without spamming. Create playlists. Playlists can help keep viewers on your channel longer. Group related videos together or create series content to encourage binge watching. Host giveaways and contests. Encourage viewers to subscribe as a part of the contest entry process. Ensure that giveaways are relevant to your audience and channel theme. Engage outside of YouTube. Participate in forums, groups, and discussions related to your niche. Share your expertise and subtly promote your channel. Engage with other content creators and their communities, without spamming. Engage with YouTube's features. Utilize features like YouTube Stories, community posts, and premieres to engage your audience and make your channel more interactive. Leverage channel trailers. Create a compelling channel trailer that quickly outlines what viewers can expect from your channel.